Now, the third technique is the technique of reframing. This technique is extremely powerful. To give you a personal example, when I started making videos, I was extremely nervous. My heart would pound, literally race in my chest like that. My mouth would become extremely dry. I could barely talk. I had a bad case of stage fright. It was unreal. And then I thought to myself, you presented this stuff a lot. You do courses for self-development. I spent 3 decades doing this in a corporate environment. And I thought to myself, what on earth is wrong with you? And then I reframed. And that reframing went like this. I told myself, I'm going to sit here because my goal is to assist somebody out there. If I can do that, if I can assist one person, then all of this is worth my while and that person's while. So I'm here to help others, and that is my primary goal. And that is what I am passionate about. Once I reframed it like that, I started getting the confidence because I'm not doing this for me. I'm doing it for you. And that makes a world of difference.